Greetings fellow Ghanaians, are you ready to unlock your wealth and embark on a journey to financial freedom? Today I'm going to introduce you to the 6 best online investment apps in Ghana that are revolutionizing the way Ghanaians invest and build wealth. From cryptocurrency trading to stock market investing, these apps offer diverse opportunities to grow your money. So let's dive in and explore how you can take charge of your financial future with these powerful investment tools. First on my list, we have the Binance, the leading cryptocurrency exchange platform that has taken the world by storm. With Binance, you can buy, sell, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. Whether you are a seasoned crypto investor or just getting started, Binance offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a secure platform to help you navigate the exciting world of digital assets. Next on my list is the Achieve Investment app, an all-in-one investment platform that caters to both beginners and experienced investors alike. Achieve Investment app offers a diverse range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. As for Ghanaians, we can access the DigiSave, investments, and referral programs. Don't worry, the link is in the description box. Make sure you click on that to download the exact app so that you don't end up being scammed. With low fees, customizable portfolios, and access to expert advice, Achieve Investment app makes investing simple, transparent, and accessible to everyone. Moving on, we have investing.com, an innovative investment platform that provides access to global financial markets right at your fingertips. With investing.com, you can trade stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies with ease. Whether you are interested in short-term trading or long-term investing, investing.com offers powerful trading tools, real-time market data, and educational resources to help you make informed investment decisions. Now let's talk about the Bamboo Investment app. Let's pause. I want you to do me a simple favor, and it costs nothing to do this favor. Number 1, click on the like button. By doing this, you are telling YouTube to push this video to anyone who is searching for such an idea, how to invest in Ghana using simple apps. Number 2, subscribe to join the community for free. Why must you subscribe? Over here I take you through financial freedom, building wealth together step by step, no scam, real proof, personal experience, the online hustling. The goal is to build 3 things over here: 1, financial freedom; 2, time freedom; and 3, location freedom. You can call me Speezy, money taste. Yes, the money preacher, and I like it and I want it, and you also have to get it. Without wasting much of your time, let's continue with today's video. Your gateway to the US stock market. Bamboo allows Ghanaian investors to invest in US stocks and ETFs with ease, thanks to its fractional investing feature. Whether you want to own a piece of tech giants like Apple, Amazon, or diversify your portfolio with healthcare or consumer stocks, Bamboo offers a user-friendly platform, low fees, and local currency support to help you achieve your investment goals. Another noteworthy app on my list is EcoBank T-Bill for All, a convenient and secure platform for investing in treasury bills issued by the government of Ghana. With EcoBank T-Bill for All, you can invest in treasury bills directly from your mobile phone without the need to visit a bank branch. Enjoy competitive interest rates, flexible investment terms, and a peace of mind that comes with investing in government-backed securities. Last but not least, we have Trove Investment app, a mobile-first investment app that allows Ghanaians to invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Trove Investment app offers fractional investing, zero commission trading, and a wide range of investment options to suit your preferences and risk tolerance. Whether you are passionate about technology, healthcare, or renewable energy, Trove Investment app empowers you to invest in what you believe in and build a diversified portfolio for the future. There you have it, the 6 best online investment apps in Ghana that are paving way for financial empowerment and wealth creation. Whether you are interested in cryptocurrency trading, stock market investing, or fixed income securities, so why wait? Download this investment app today. from the link in the description box and start unlocking your wealth. Thanks for joining me on this journey to financial freedom, and until next, happy investment. Ghana, the name is Peasy, money taste. You can call me the money preacher. Yes, and I like it and I want it, and you also have to get it. It is all about success. Download the apps from the link in the description box. Use the referral names in the description box. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.